How convenient is that? So without further ado, let's get started.
Filmora 14 is global.
今日、フィルモア13に新しいアップデートがあり、長方形、子音、三角形などの基本的な形状を文字通りプレイヤーに素早く書くことができる秒活ルと呼ばれるこの機能があるため、この教育チュートリアルを共有できることをとても楽しみにしています。
It can also help you to put automatic dynamic captions to be understood around the world. Whether you want to use your language or have a translated subtitle, Filmora Mobile can handle this work for you in just a few taps.
I've got some golden nuggets for you today. But first, let's dive in.
Identify what language you are speaking in the video. You can use auto-identity, but it will be more accurate to assign what language you used in the video. This AI feature of Filmora Mobile will not just give you captions, but it comes in a package. There's AI highlight, AI auto emoji, and AI camera for auto frame zoom. You can enable all of them here to get the best out of this feature. We can now let AI add the captions in our video. This will take a few moments, depending on the duration of your clip. Let's preview the generated captions.
Hey there! Welcome to today's crash course on setting up your freelance video editing business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, I've got some golden nuggets for you today. Hey there! Welcome to today's crash course on setting up your freelance video editing business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your game, hey there! Welcome to today's crash course on setting up your... I've got some golden nuggets for you today. But first, let's dive in. Hey there! Welcome to today's crash course on setting up your freelance video editing business.
Import your videos or pictures that you want to use. Prepare your romantic messages that you want to include and translate. Go to AI Translation. Select your target language, where your original text will be translated to. Let's try Korean. Source language is your original language, which you use to write your text message. Then click Translate. There you go. Now let's try Italian. Hindi India.